on this day in Ugandan history, in 2020, Museveni's government in just 2 days murdered dozens and dozens and dozens of Ugandans. Why? For nothing. Yes, for nothing. Just to send fear to all Ugandans who were demanding for the release of Bobi Wine, an icon of change in this country. There is a famous video I wish I could share with you people of a police car moving on the streets of Kampala and just firing bullets to whoever. In that whole scandal, a policewoman was shot, a child was shot, a lady was delivering food, a restaurant woman was shot dead. Over 7 point just you didn't have to have been protesting, you didn't have to have been, I don't know, saying anything, holding a placard. You just had to be a Ugandan on that day in the way of the bullets of these police officers. And that's why it's so funny when people say, me, I don't do politics, I don't do politics. Tell me, what was political about that woman delivering her food? What was political about that boy? Over the boy was 9 years. What was political? What political thing was that boy do? But they all went. That's whether you talk about politics, whether you keep quiet about politics, politics affects you. The silence only affects you, and that's the point I'm going to. It's important for us to commemorate these great people that gave their, they didn't give their lives, whose lives were taken just that a dictator could rule. Because up to now, even after BBC did a documentary, showed us faces, showed number plates, guns, everything, the government of Uganda has never held anyone accountable. The government of Uganda has never held anyone accountable. It's the same government that comes out to say, you know, if you try to come out and attack the police, we shall shoot you and kill you. The police has a right to shoot you and kill you. You know, it's so sad. It's so sad that we can have young people in this government, in this country, supporting this government. You have to be evil. You have to be so greedy. You have to be so insensitive. You have to have lost your very sense of humanity. People always ask me, what radicalized you? What radicalized? No, I'm not radicalized. You're just too insensitive and too inhuman to see injustices and keep quiet about them. There is no radicalism about any human being would be concerned that on a day like this, not thousands, but dozens of Ugandans were shot. Were shot for nothing, just because a dictator wanted to rule. Any Ugandan should be concerned. May their souls rest in peace.